What's up guys, how's it going? Vlog number 24, let's go. We're going strong, 6 more days until this challenge is officially done. Now, we'll say some people called me out. They're saying, well, posted a video, you didn't mention it was vlog number 23, and it wasn't really a vlog. See, the thing is, guys, I made this challenge so I can post a video every single day, just so I can get videos moving. Yes, even though I made more of a vlog video, in my opinion, that still counts because I still posted a video, I still filmed it that day, and I finished it that day. All right, so for this video, this is gonna be a follow-up to my Samsung Curve monitor, kind of showing you how I finally have it set up in my setup area workstation and how I'm using it today. So if you haven't seen that video, it's a really awesome video, so I recommend you check it out in the description below. It'll be the first link. I bought a Samsung monitor a few months ago and it finally shipped, right? So I did a video of the unboxing and showing like what it can do. Now I have it fully set up, and as you can see, it's right there behind me. But I really want to show you the setup, what I did to get it all nice and clean, basically doing what I wanted to do. Let's jump right into it. All right, so first thing you're gonna notice is the lighting. The way this works is basically have, my light up keyboard, and this is dark on purpose so you can see the lighting. Light up keyboard, my mouse pad lights up, and then everything matches the color of my PC, which is tucked in back here. So all that is just to match. I went with magenta. Also, I have a light down here. As you can see, this is like a magnetic video light, and that's not even meant for this, but I figured why not? So it gives it this awesome look. The monitor, as you can see, beautiful, gorgeous, and it's pretty big. It pretty much takes up the whole space of my desk. Now, this is not a very big desk. Baby Yoda, little plant, little crate thing, and a fake book, and a notepad. So I feel like you needed something, but essentially that can go away. Mouse, keyboard, mouse pad, monitor. So now this monitor is beast. This guy is a dock in its own. What does that mean? It means that I actually have the keyboard and mouse plugged into the monitor. That was one of the key selling points for me. The reason for that is this. Everything's plugged into the monitor, right? And the cable management back there is pretty nice in my opinion. What it allows me to do is I have DisplayPort, so I have one video cable, one data cable running to my PC via USB-C and DisplayPort. Like, this is it. This is all I need to run. With this mouse, keyboard, like, this is 4 USBs. It's insane. So here's the back of the monitor. We have our USB hub. I still have a spare USB headphone jack. And then I have the panel here hiding all the cables. We have 2 USB Thunderbolts and a DisplayPort with the power going into this stand right here and then routing out through there. I get to pull out this drawer. Beautiful mat comes out, which is where I edit all my videos currently. A little organization here and there. This thing is hooked up to my PC. When I'm ready to switch into my Apple Mac mode, I basically grab this cable that's nicely tucked behind there, and this is Thunderbolt 3. This guy essentially just plugs right in, and I believe I have to switch inputs. So yeah, after you switch inputs there and I have the Thunderbolt cable plugged in, we are now in Apple ecosystem. So I close that, laptop sits there. I now get to use Apple without ever unplugging PC or keyboard, just that one cable, my Thunderbolt 3 cable. That's pretty cool, right? It's just one cable, Thunderbolt, to my MacBook. I unplug that, boom, I am now my PC. That's the kind of setup I wanted because I hate having to switch between 2 different keyboards or unplug it, replug. I pretty much nailed it down to one cable, and that's that Thunderbolt 3, which gives you all the latest and greatest with USB-C. You're talking charging, video, data. That's my current setup with this monitor, and the reason why it's one of the best monitors in my opinion for that reason. If you're a crazy guy and you do Mac and you do PC, this setup is definitely for you. So now let's talk about how I got everything. I'm talking cables and power all run through this desk. So a little bit about this desk. It's glass, so you see that reflective area? That's because all this is glass. It is a stand-up desk. So if I move this here, it's actually pretty unique. The controls are actually right here. So I get to, yep. Now it's going down, and it's like touch controls, which is really nice. That was one of my favorite features. Since I hardly move it up and down, it kind of stays discreet under my mouse pad, and I'm good to go. On top of that, it has USB. It has 3 USBs in there on the side for power, so you can charge whatever you want. I'll show you what I mean about cable management. So this is a setup. So you can see, you can only see one cable, and that's pretty much the power cable. And then you have the 2 cables going to the PC. Well, obviously there's a lot more going on down there. So let's talk about that now. So this is the fun part. It took me a little bit of planning, but I think I got it down right. As you can see here, this is the bottom of the desk, and a few things. Power. I have a power strip here, and I know I kind of just did a ghetto rig, and it looks like a jumbo mess. From the top perspective, you can't see any cables, and that was pretty much the point here. Power strip here, this is powering the actual desk and the monitor. I run that through a few zip ties, and I bring it down there. All our data cables that I was talking about. Our USB hub that has a monitor, keyboard, mouse, all that good stuff is here. The freaking monitor has a massive freaking brick that's actually managed here, and the way I stuck this up there was through command strips. So this has like 4 command strips, and it's actually pretty tight up there. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna pull that off. Nicely sitting there. Cables from keyboard, power strip, and that's pretty much it. And then obviously the internals of the stand-up desk itself. All right guys, so that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. That's pretty much my setup, and I'm enjoying it so far. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and if you want to see more videos about travel, tech, and other random things. As I mentioned in one previous vlog before, I have another friend doing the 30-day challenge with me. He's a good friend. He's my best friend from childhood. That is Just Gilbert. I'm gonna drop his details in the description below, but go ahead and jump over to his channel, check out his videos. He's also been posting daily, and he lives in Alaska, so he's had a pretty interesting year so far. If you're interested in seeing that, go ahead and click to his channel link and check out his videos. So I'm gonna try to get a haircut next. I feel like this hair is just going crazy, but other than that, I'll stop talking, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.